Hello everyone and welcome. So, have you ever wondered that how machines are working and we are even able to operate the machines? We give instructions to machine and they process the required results and produce the output. And how is this possible that humans are operating machines? So, to answer these all questions and query, this video is all about it. So, today's video we are going to discuss about system software. So, let's get started. First thing we have to understand that what is the system software. This is component of computer software that directly operates with computer hardware, which has the work to control the computer's internal functioning and also takes responsibility for controlling hardware devices such as printer, storage devices, etc. So here friends, you can see there is a hierarchy and the top of it is the user, and at the bottom we have hardware devices. Hardware devices are multiple devices that build up a computer hardware. So we can say hardware devices can build a computer, and on the top of it we have users. So we have user and the machine, and inside it the working we have system software. So simply we can say system software serve as the interface between the user and the hardware devices. And how? With the help of device drivers. So device drivers are the sort of program that are for the working of a specific type of a device that is attached to the system. And then here on the user's end we have application programs. So application programs are the program user is going to work on it. So simply system software is going to work or operate the computer hardware and controls the computer's internal functions. So next question in our mind is working of a system software. System software is used to manage the computer itself. It runs in the background, maintaining the computer's basic functions. So user can run high-level application program software to perform specific certain tasks. Essentially, system software provides a platform for application software to run on top of it. So basically, system software run at the background and it is for the working of the application software. Next, friends, we are going to discuss about the features of system software. So we have a list of the features of system software, on which we have first in the category that is high speed. System software must be as efficient as possible to provide an effective platform for high-level software in the computer system. Next in this category is hard to manipulate. It often requires the use of programming language, which is more difficult to use than a more intuitive user interface. So system software is using a programming language that make it hard to manipulate. Next, written in a low-level computer language. As we have discussed hard to manipulate, in which we discussed about the language, and low-level language is actually the computer machine language. So system software must be written in a computer language, that is the low-level machine language, which the CPU and other hardware can read. So next we have close to the system. It connects directly to hardware that enables the computer to run. And last we have versatile. That is a feature, and in versatile it means it must. That means system software must communicate with both the specialized hardware it runs on and the high-level application software that is usually hardware agnostic and often has no direct communication or connection to the hardware it runs on. And it means it must support other program that depends on it as they evolve or change. So next question in our mind is why use system software? So here the question arises that why use a system software? So there are some of the factors onto which we can answer this question very well. And number one in this is hardware communication. Hardware communication, it means that the system software serves as interface between the hardware and the software components of a computer, enabling them to communicate and work together. Second, resource management. System software manages resources such as memory, CPU usage, we can say storage, optimizing their utilization and ensuring that the system operates efficiently. Number three, security. System software provides security measures such as firewalls, antivirus softwares, encryption, protecting the system and its data from malware, viruses, and other security threats. Then we have user interface. System software provides a user interface that allows users to interact with the computer or computer device that perform various tasks. We have the next factor, that is the application support. It means system software supports the installation and running of applications and software on the system. Last in this category is customization. That means system software allows for customization of system setting and configuration, giving users greater control over their computing environment. So these were the factors which explain why we have to use the system software. Next is types of system software. So system software is categorized into four major categories, that is operating system, device drivers, utility programs, language translators. So friends, number one in this category is the operating system. Operating system is the set of specialized programs used to control overall resources and operations of a computer system. It is the first program, friends, that is loaded into the computer when we turn on the computer. And in this sense, we may say that it brings the life to the computer. So without an operating system, we can't even turn on our computer. So it is a must ever software, that is a system software. Next we have in this category is the device drivers. Friends, device driver is a software program that controls hardware devices and peripherals which are attached to the computer and also enables them to communicate with the operating system. So by the name, device driver is a set of program that is specific for a hardware, that is running a specific hardware. Then in this category we have utility program. Utility program, friends, it is a software program that perform a specific task related to the management of computer, like functions, resources and files. So if we have to take an example of utilities program, we may say that file protection, password protection, virus protection or file compression. So these type of things, these type of software come under the utility program. And we have last but not the least and the most important, that is language translator. As we know, there is a language barrier because we are humans and we are operating or dealing with machine that only understand its own language, that is machine language. So we must need a language translator, which is a software that is designed to convert the source code into the object code so that the computer understands. So friend, this was it for today's video. In the next video we are going to discuss about these types of system software in detail one by one, and then after that we are going to discuss about the subcategories of these types. And if I am able to answer the queries regarding the start of the video, start of the lecture, and you find my video informative, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because here it's going to be more interesting videos on this channel. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, take good care of yourselves. Stay blessed.